Hello and welcome to brand new series Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Through this series, we acknowledge the inspiring success stories of eminent Asian brands and leaders from across the globe who have enabled the continent to acquire a prominent position in the world. Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders aims to highlight the real drivers of India's and Asia's economic engine, entities that are the critical pivots of growth. The next category is India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, and the individuals and companies that were awarded in this category are Sanjay Mishra, Joint Director, Apex Insurance Consultant.
Apex Insurance Consultants Limited (AICL) was established in the year 2000 with the purpose of helping Indian medical professionals. The company played an instrumental role in the acquisition of proper risk management teams in various medical associations across the country by offering end-to-end solutions for crisis management.
From well-organized planning team to professionally access the scope of the problem, to developing a spontaneous plan, testing the plan and keeping the plan up to date, we have full expert command on each and every step. It's really a matter of pride and satisfaction that Apex is always ready for its members in any event of a crisis that they may face. Whether it is predictable or unimaginable, our contingency planning is always in place. We, with our unique expertise, are working in more than 26 states and have a great track record of carrying out some effective crisis management operations in the medical sector. Our efforts and story are instrumental in acquiring the proper risk management teams in many medical associations across the country. Our service offers to cover each and every crisis of a doctor from professional to personal and is one of its kind initiatives in the world. For Apex and doctors, the bond of priceless services began 20 years before, and over the years, the relationship has continued to deepen. Apex does anything and everything in legal for doctors. We have been solely responsible for all the investments, improvements and success of AICL. Right now, we have more than 2.5 lakh active database and working engagements of doctors and hospitals in India. Our increasing client base and net worth show that we have a wonderful future in transforming this business to the next level.
Well, those were the stories of companies and individuals that have redefined leadership and businesses across Asia. Hope you enjoyed watching the show. It's time to wrap up now. Goodbye and thanks for watching.